Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring power and connectivity. Plug in until at least 50%, then join a reliable Wi-Fi network so downloads are fast. Sign in with your Apple ID now. This is how apps, photos, and backups stay in sync. Set up Face ID or Touch ID and create a strong passcode so unlocking is both quick and secure. Once done, make sure iCloud backup is enabled. This protects your data and makes restoring simple if you change devices. Next, update the operating system. Go to Settings, General Software Update, and install the latest iPad OS for security and features. Once updated, customize Control Center and notification settings so the tools you use are one swipe away and alerts don't interrupt you. Arrange apps into folders or a dock for workflows. Install essential apps, Mail, a browser, notes, and cloud storage, so you can work and backup documents. Make sure background app refresh is set for apps you rely on to stay current. Finish by enabling Find My iPad, and if relevant, set up family sharing so purchases and location can be shared. Calibrate accessories like the Apple Pencil and pair Bluetooth keyboards or controllers. Adjust accessibility settings for text size, touch, or voice control so the device fits you. If something goes wrong, apps freezing or Wi-Fi failing, try a restart first. If that fails, force restart or reset network settings. Only erase the device as a last resort after backing up your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.